It's your girl Magical Blackness here, coming to you with another hair review, but this one is special, featuring Exodus Beauty, a black-owned wonderful wig company that you must know about. Stay tuned. So today I am talking about a wonderful black-owned company named Exodus Beauty, a wonderful wig company for all your hair needs. It is owned by the beautiful Esther Ayala. She is based out of the United Kingdom, and I truly appreciate them reaching out to me. They are so sweet. The business is amazing. It has wonderful hair products and wonderful wigs and short, long, curly, straight, you name it, they got it. So you need to go ahead and check them out. Click the link in the description box. Now let's get on to the hair review. This is my girl Zendaya in the color 2, and she is awesome. She's from Janet Collection Melted Hairline Collection, and she comes in all kinds of colors: the ones, the 1Bs, the strawberry blonde, toffee cream, sandy blonde. Like, those are some amazing colors that it comes in. The hairline is melty, okay? Melty. And also you can do different styles with her. And it also comes with the tape. Child, I don't know who uses tape, but be my guest, it comes with it. Now their hairline is going to be less dense as the usual ones of their. She's a 13x6, by the way. I just want you to see how beautiful this hairline is. Look at this. Look at this. Comes with your baby hairs. That lace is amazing. So you have your standard cap with your 1, 2, 3 combs. Look at all this space, 13x6. Nice space for you to part it right, left, or middle. You could put it up in a little top knot or space buns or whatever else you would like to do. She is kind of like a silky, light, real light yaki texture. She moves so nicely, and look at that curl. It's like a lazy barrel curl. The density is wonderful. The length is great. Let's try her on. This hairline is nice. If you would like to go in and pluck, then you can. If you don't want to pluck, you don't have to, because it's not that bad. It's got the baby hairs. Definitely cutting those off because I don't need them. But if you would like baby hairs, be my guest. I'll be right back with the lace cut. So I'm back. This is the finished look. I definitely recommend, for it to look even more realistic, to pluck the front, because it was looking a little boxy in the front. So go ahead and pluck the front, but if you don't know how to pluck, you can always add makeup to the hairline. This is not glued down, by the way, so if you don't do glue, you don't have to do glue. You can go ahead and put it on and put powder in the part like I did. I decided to do a middle part. As I was parting her, I noticed that she was tangly, but you know, they're all tangly because they're long and curly. You're gonna get that. That's normal. I really love her though. She's pretty. I'll probably wear her to work. You can also wear her to a function. You can put her up in a ponytail or any other styles you think of, because she's very versatile, and she comes all the way down to the nape of my neck, and she's ear to ear. If you would like to do other styles though, you might want to go ahead and glue her down. This is not glued, so ladies who don't know how to pluck, who don't know how to glue, go ahead and put her on and go. She's gorgeous all by herself. just like this. I hope you love this review. Thank you, thank you, thank you to Exodus Beauty for sending over this gorgeous unit. I appreciate you. Go ahead and click the link and just see what you like. Like, I know she got something that you like or love. Go ahead and check her out. If you ain't got nothing to do, binge watch me, boo. Go down in the description box. A link to my binge watch playlist will be there. I know you could have clicked on any video, but you clicked on mine's, and I love you for it. Thanks, thanks, thanks for your likes, comments, and your shares in advance. I appreciate you so much. And you came this far, you might as well hit the subscribe button. Next to the subscribe button is a bell. Hit the bell so you know when I drop these awesome videos. You gotta be able to pick them up, sis. You gotta be able to pick them up. Thanks so much. Have a blessed day.